I'm Dan, and you're watching Backcountry Builds. This is my 2004 Arctic Cat F7, and I rode the crap out of it last year, and suddenly my lower back and knees started to hurt, and before long I realized that I didn't really have any front shocks left. Here's what they look like. All the way to the top, let go, full sag by itself. That's how much suspension we have. None, there's zero on the right side, and it gets stuck in the down position. So seeing how I didn't really want to pay a third of the value of the Snowmobile for brand new shocks, I started looking in other avenues. My buddy recommended this company called Carver Performance. So I'm going to read you right what they have on their website. Carver Performance is your shock and suspension experts. We are also Fox specialists, but also work on KYB, Walker Evans, Öhlins, ACT, and GYTR shocks. We carry new Fox shocks as well as parts for all major shock brands. We can rebuild, repair, and customize any brand of shocks. Carver Performance will turn your rebuilds around within a week. Our staff includes racers and joyriders, so we know whatever your style of riding, we can provide a performance upgrade and do what it takes to get you a fast and comfortable ride. Whether it is a snowmobile, ATV, side-by-side, motorcycle, Carver Performance's missions includes an utmost commitment to its customers, the community, and the sport of off-roading. It says, for service, we service most rebuildable shocks, including Fox, Walker Evans, Kayaba, HPG, Öhlins, GYTR, and more. We have parts on hand and repair most brands. You can buy their whole shock system. They advertise Fox shock systems. They have parts for shocks. It says we carry all major shock brands. We can rebuild, repair, customize any brand of shocks. They have tools. It says we have the tools you need to keep your tools running at its best, and you can even shop by machine, brand, look at brand new shocks, accessories, rebuild kits, and service kits or packs if you want to do it yourself. Shock parts, tools and oil. They have their own Carver Performance parts and products. They have clearance and overstock items. They have what's called used or takeoff shocks, which might be something I look into in the future. ATV, moto, UTV, truck, circle track, and Carver Performing. So the Google AI says that Carver Performance Incorporated is a small business auto parts store in Fosston, Minnesota. So what I did is I called them. If you Google their company, you can call them and talk to a real person. You press 8 to make sure that you're not a telemarketer too. So I spoke with a real human being, and they said, yep, send your shocks to this address. Put a note in there, and what I did is I put in the instructions. So for my particular application, I put my weight in there, and I requested a Revalve, which was an additional $60 per shock. So for a complete rebuild, which was $40 per shock, and a Revalve for the two front shocks, I had essentially brand new and perfect to me shocks for $200 out the door. I recommend calling ahead. They were unfortunately not able to honor the 1 week turnaround, but I was made aware of that in advance. And if you're smart enough to send them out of season, then you're good to go. So I had a great experience. The price was good. The product is great. And the experience was just everything I was hoping for and more. It's a big day. We got the sagging sled over there, and a new package just arrived from Carver Performance. Let's crack it open. Packaged nicely. Alright, we gotta get this stuff cleared out because the sled is hiding over here. And there's a lot of projects going on. top, let go, full sag by itself. That's So I went on a 62-mile ride with my buddy James last week. He's a Yamaha guy. I'll throw a couple clips in here. What are we looking at for temps today, brother?
It's a solid 6 degrees right
6
now.
degrees? That's about 6 more than we need, don't you think? What do you think, bud?
Oh. It'll be a little late, I think, past 10 o'clock.
You gonna trade the old Yamaha in for a little kitty cat?
No, I think you'll be trading the kitty cat in for an old
I think I'll be trading
Yama
in
tank.
the rear shock for...
Did you see that one bridge that's 1,000-pound capacity? I went...
We had a ton of fun, but the trails getting out to his neck of the woods were pretty garbage, honestly. So, really excited to be able to ride from the house now. We're like a mile from the Bass Trail, and I just gotta put some gas in this thing right now. The rebuilt, renewed shocks, I should say, are awesome, and the rear shocks and the springs are probably a little overloaded, and the rear shock needs to be stiffened and revalved a little bit for my weight, and it's, you know, over 20 years old. So needless to say, this summer I will be probably pulling the skid out, just see what's going on up there, grease some stuff,